Inflow Inventory Review. Today, we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. What are the pros? End-to-end inventory control provides complete visibility into stock and transactions, efficient tracking of inventory movement across locations. Ease of use. The user interface is simple and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Real-time information and accurate inventory counts. Excellent customer support, responsive and helpful staff offering one-on-one assistance, helpful live webinars to educate users on the system's features. Integration with other platforms. Integrates well with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Connects with QuickBooks and Xero for seamless financial management. Order management enables easy order creation from quotes to invoices. Can manage purchase orders and shipping labels with ease. Customizable features. Users can add custom fields to tailor the software to their needs. Good reporting capabilities with CSV file export options. What are the cons? Pricing. Some users find the pricing on the higher side, particularly for small businesses. No free plan available for long-term use. Only a 14-day free trial. Limited mobile app features. Some users report issues with the mobile app, especially when scanning items or making adjustments during stock picking. Some functionalities are only available on the cloud-based desktop version. Invoicing issues. When an order is packed, it automatically converts to an invoice, which can cause confusion if the order is incomplete. Limited export options. Users can only export reports as PDFs. They cannot directly export to Excel, Word for further editing or analysis. Let's talk about features. Inventory management. Track stock and costs across multiple locations. Set reorder points to avoid stockouts. Create and scan barcodes to speed up processes. Order management. Generate and manage quotes, orders, and invoices, purchase orders and stock receiving with approval limits, integrations. Sync with over 35 e-commerce platforms, QuickBooks, Xero, and Zapier. Mobile accessibility. Access inventory data and manage orders from mobile devices. Pricing and support. Monthly and annual pricing options available. Includes customer support and training. Pricing. Inflow. Inventory. Starts at $149 per month. Inflow manufacturing. Starts at $199 per month. Enterprise/scale. Contact for pricing. Small businesses that need a reliable, easy-to-use inventory management system with good integration and support. It's especially beneficial for companies that run e-commerce stores and require robust inventory tracking across multiple platforms.